What's up, guys? Jesse here with JHooks Fishing, back with another video. I'm in Long Beach right now in Los Alamitos Park, Jetty. So today the setup that I'm going to be using, I'm going to start off with the slip bobber or just the bobber. I don't know which one I'm going to use because my slip bobber is a little broken, so I'm going to see if it still works. If not, we're going to go with the bobber. But we'll be transitioning depending how the fishing goes. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for another video. And yeah, guys, I'm going to set up right now and get to it, y'all. Got my tangle rod with my katana reel, and this is what we're going to be using. This is what I've been using lately. So yeah, it's been really good to me, so I'm definitely gonna stick to that, guys. But yeah, let's get to it, y'all. We're out here on Labor Day weekend, guys, so it's pretty packed. Pretty much what I'm going to be using is like I told you guys, I'm using a clamp-on bobber. I don't have it on yet. I have it in my pocket, but I pretty much just have two clamp-on weights, and then I have a hook right here at the bottom, and I'll put my slip bobber depending how far I want my line to go down into the water. So yeah, guys, we're gonna head on all the way to the end of this jetty, so it's gonna take me a while, so I'll see you guys over there. All right. From the looks of it, I see a lot of people out here, but I don't really see too many people catching anything. So let's see how we do out here, guys. Hopefully at least catch one fish. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. A lot of jumping, a lot of uneven rocks. So anytime you come out to the jetty, you definitely have to be careful, y'all. But initially what I'm looking for is, I'm pretty sure you guys can't see, but there's like rocks going into the water. So I'm kind of looking for one flat rock where I can stand on, but also I don't want the rocks that are in the water to be popping out so much. I kind of want them to be curving in so I won't get snagged. Looks like there's a lot of people at the end over there, so I'll probably end up hanging out somewhere around here. Nice. That's a pretty good size. Oh, that's nice, bro. Sweet. All right, man. See you around. Thank you. Well, it looks like that guy caught a fish. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and hang out around here. Let's see what we can do here. Just be careful when you guys are coming down, because it is super dangerous. I'll go ahead and stand on this one here. All right. As close as we can to the rocks. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my shrimp up and do our first cast. Here's my bobber right here. I'm just gonna clamp it onto my line, depending how far I want the line to go into the water. So let's see. Depending how far I want the line to suspend under the water. So we got here maybe about a foot. 2 foot. Let's do about 3 foot, maybe 4. Looks about right. We're gonna go ahead and clamp. We're gonna clamp our line about here. See that? That just clamps on. It's not going anywhere. A slip bobber would do the opposite. It will slip instead of just being clamped on. So that's how. Oops. I'm already getting tangled up. So that's how far our line is going to be suspending. See, I don't know if you can see, but our hook and our weights are there, and then it's going to go all the way down to our slip bobber. So now let's bait it up, y'all. Sweet. Let's give this a try. You guys can't see, but there's actually rocks close to me. So what I'm gonna do, I gotta toss it out a little further than that. There's our bobber just suspending there in the water. I do see a school of fish there. And you will get snagged here, y'all. These rocks or something else. Are. And let's just wait to see if anything bites onto that. So right now what's happening, the water's coming this way because the wind is blowing this way, so the slip bobber is slowly going to start, you know, trailing towards the left of me. So just keep that in mind. See that? I already took my bait. I already ate my bait. Bait's already been eaten, so let's rebait it again. And we're gonna keep doing that, guys, until we hopefully catch on to something. I might even go with a smaller hook. Usually what I like to do in jetties a lot of times is I like throwing it on the edge of these rocks because that's where the fish are hiding a lot. You know, like bass, sometimes even perch, you know, things like that that live in the rocks. They'll be hiding in there, and as soon as they see that bait in front of their face, they'll pop out and just eat it up. It is, guys. We got one. We got one. See that? Nice fish. I knew they were down there. Let's get you on hook, buddy. I don't know what kind of fish that was, but that was nice. I did forgot to mention, guys, but I did switch to a smaller hook. what's next. First fish of the day, and honestly, I don't know what kind of fish that is, guys, so help me out. Quick update, guys. I've been getting a lot of pulls. I just hooked on a big fish, but it got away, man. I'm trying to hit the record button, so there's definitely fishes out here. So far, we've only got one hook, and yeah, we're still out here, you know, trying it out. Hopefully, we can get onto some more. But I definitely recommend you guys to try out the bobber, man. They do a really good job. Here we are. We got a bass. Nice little bass here. Should have brought my pliers. All right, so I'm actually gonna head on back this way because I don't have my pliers. And I need my pliers to let this guy go. So let's head on back here. Be careful, y'all. This is dangerous right here. Okay, guys. Let's get the pliers going. Let's set this guy free. Here it is. Sorry, buddy. Hopefully you make it. He was bleeding pretty bad, guys. That was a bass for you guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna start heading back towards my truck. It's about to be 7. So far we got 2 fish today, and I'm gonna be fishing as I go. But yeah, guys, it's definitely been a good day, and I want to appreciate everybody that's been subscribing. Please like, comment, whatever shenanigans. Yeah, guys, we love fishing, man. We do everything fishing here at JHooks Fishing. I just said fishing like 5 times there. But yeah, guys, thanks so much. It's getting a little dark. I see some clouds coming in. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and grab our bag here and walk on north and make our way back slowly. Fish as we go. Oh my gosh, I got a fish while I was packing my stuff up. A little one too. That's funny. Wow. That is super hilarious. Super duper hilarious. Nice little guy too. I believe these guys have venom, so you guys gotta be careful with these guys. Little dude. I guess we can count that as 3 fish. Come on, you freaking hook. There you go. Look, little dude. Throw you back in there, buddy. That's funny. We weren't even trying and we caught a fish. I definitely recommend these slip bobbers, guys. They're super awesome. I don't use them all the time, but the reason why I started using them here is because I used to do the Carolina before when I come to the jetties, and I would throw it like at the edge of the rocks and I would catch fish like that, but a lot of times I would get snagged. So I figured the slip bobber would be the best option when it comes to that. And as you guys can see, it's been pretty darn good. Not the best, but hey, we got some stuff. All right. Any more? Oh, you did get some? Yeah. Oh, that's dope, bro. I caught one of the ones that you had. Yeah, and then I caught a bass right now. Two of them. A little baby one, and then maybe like a 8-incher, 10-incher. Yeah. Sweet, guys. I'll see you. Let's see what there's here. So now the wind is blowing this way. That's a good thing. Ah, getting all tangled up here. Yeah. Let's bait this up, see what happens. Give that a try. Oh, there's a bite. Oh man, that was a bite for sure. That was definitely a bite. Oh yeah. Check out that wonderful view though, guys. Freaking amazing. Oh man, my hook came on. Alright, what I want to try right now, I'm going to try a kite tack. I'm going to put away, I'm actually going to toss my shrimp out. So I'm done with the bait, with this live bait. So go ahead and feed the fishes. And I'm gonna try on my kite tack. I got a kite tack, and I'm just gonna let it drop. I won't be surprised if I get snagged though. So we're gonna try that and see if anything bites on. I'm gonna put all my other stuff away. Trash, make sure to take your trash. Alright. I got a few more actually. Bobbers. The reason I have so many is because I actually thought these were slip bobbers, but then I figured when I was about to use them that they weren't. So yeah, put that there, and then just grab my kite tack and tie it on at the end. I have it here. I already have it set up too. It's right here. This is the one I'm using right now. That's the one I'm using on my way out. Close this up. Let's see how this kite tack does. Doing a fisherman's knot right now, guys. I do have a tutorial on how to do a fisherman's knot and 2 other knots that I like to use when I'm out there fishing. So if you guys need some guidance on how to tie these, look back into my videos and you'll see it. Cool. Let's see how this does here. I'm really hoping I don't get snagged, but it happens. Pull it on out. Let that sink. start walking back to my truck. Have you caught anything today? No, nothing? You using lures or what?
Yeah, I'm just not casting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of hard out here to catch fish with the lures and stuff. Sweet, bro. See you. I don't know if you guys remember, but my previous videos I had mentioned that I messed my foot up. It's gotten a lot better. I mean, I can walk now, but when I first got my foot hurt, I wasn't able to walk on these rocks. But I'm definitely feeling the pain right now. So I'm just being extra careful. Sweet. And it got pretty hot. Oh my goodness, that was bad. Alright, well, that's what happens, y'all. That's the end of my night. Wow, that was a super duper snap, y'all. That was all bad. Anyways, I'm gonna be calling it a day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all.